5 things that are contributing to our obesity epidemic and might be preventing you from losing weight. One is that there's been an increase in calorie consumption and we're eating way too many calories than we were designed to eat. Leads me to number 2, which is increase in portion size. Take a look at the portion sizes that have grown from year to year. They just keep getting bigger and bigger, making us fatter and sicker. 3 is all the chemicals and toxins and additives in foods. We literally have things called obesogens. These are chemicals shown to make us fat and increase our fat cells. 4 is there's too much emphasis on numbers and too many people counting calories and macros. We have forgotten how to trust our bodies and be in tune with our bodies that already know how to tell us when we're hungry and when we're full. Right along with number 5 is eating outside the realm of true hunger. We're eating because it's clockwork, because of a certain time of day, because we're bored, we're looking to fill a void. And we've forgotten that food is truly just fuel. Love nothing more than to teach you how to overcome all of these. Link in bio to learn more.